There's about 3.5 million Australians living with hearing loss, and about 85% of them are doing nothing about it.
Hearing loss can really creep up on people, be quite slow and progressive, and so people don't realise quite how bad it is or can be in denial about the loss itself. So we needed to find a way to connect with these people that didn't realise they had a problem.
There's a very special Australian short film launching today. It is a love story that has two different endings, which will depend on how good your hearing is.
The film launched in cinemas and asked the question, did love last or was love lost? For those with a normal hearing level, the story was positive.
Remember the first time you told me that you loved me?
Love itself lasted.
Love lasted.
And for those who had some form of hearing loss, they experienced a negative story.
But you were the first to say it was that night on the Opera House steps. Needed a sleep talking. Now I'm going to the bathroom.
It felt sad because it looked as though that they had grown apart.
They looked unsure of their relationship.
What the audience didn't know was that they were having their hearing tested in disguise.
Today we're talking about a special movie, the most important film you'll see all year.
It's a video to give people an idea of what it's like to suffer hearing loss.
It's a film with two distinctly different endings.
A hearing test disguised as a short
Does
film.
love last forever?
Jump online. It's a fantastic way to check your hearing.
They were directed to doeslovelastforever.com, where they could take a more in-depth test. Getting an expert analysis of their hearing loss and directing them to seek further help. Users could also interact with a unique audio emulator that mimicked what it's like to live with hearing loss.
Our first step was to understand how patients hear the world around them, so we worked with audiologists to be able to emulate their hearing loss.
So as part of the process, we added ambient sound to confuse and mask the conversation.
We chose specific words that we knew people with hearing loss would find difficult. Then we gradually took away the ability to lip read, and we choreographed the actor's body language to look negative to those with hearing loss.
There's really no reason why people shouldn't get a hearing aid or a cochlear implant. They make a huge difference to their life.